Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set live chat webhooks for chat events. Now, first up, go ahead and log into your live chat account. Now, go to Apps in the left panel, click on it. And then once done, scroll all the way down until you find Automate with Webhooks. All right, just click on it. And then once done, if you want to, you could go ahead and create a webhook via the developer console or just right here under your live chat dashboard. Okay, just click on Add a Webhook right here. And then once done, choose the specific event that you want to trigger a webhook from the drop down right here. For example, chat started, chat ended, chat changed, visitor queued, or canned response changed. Okay. And then once done, select the data type. It'd be a chat, visitor. For chats right here, you can copy the code right here if you want to. Okay. And basically enter the target URL. And then once that's done, just click on Add Webhook. And then after that, you're good to go. That is it. Now for developer console, just click on Go to Console right here. Wait for it to load. And then just go ahead and create a new application right here. Configure it however you want, adding the necessary built-in blocks such as app authorizations. And within the app's configuration, okay, register the specific event you want to listen for. And you will also need to provide your server's webhook URL as a target for these events. Okay, once that's done, install the app privately to make it active, then test it out if you want to. That is how you set up live chat webhooks for chat events. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.